telling me how genetics is related to cancer.
Okay, so the reality is that all cancer is genetics. It's a change that happens in a cell, in the genes in a cell. It can be caused by something at random, spontaneous, something that just happened. It can be caused by being born with a defect. It can be caused by a virus, but all cancer is genetic. So what we do is we're trying to see if an individual was born with a defect in a gene that in the majority of the cases is there to protect them against cancer, and because it's defected, the protection is not happening and cancer may happen. So that is what we do. But the majority of cancer is sporadic, something that happens.
Right, because I understand that, and correct me if I'm wrong, please, but I understand that genes are actually sometimes able to fight cancer, but that's not always the case.
No, there's some genes that are oncogenes that the majority are tumor suppressor genes, but the oncogenes is just activate cancer.
Okay, and how many genes do you actually test when it's related to hereditary cancer? There must be a lot.
We can test for many genes, but we have the most common genes. For example, BRCA1 and BRCA2 are the most common genes. Yes, are the genes associated with breast and ovarian cancer. We test for genes for colon cancer. We can test. We have a panel that we use of 75 genes, but the majority of those genes are very rare. It's just that with the current technology, it's very easy to test many genes, but it requires a lot of time with the patient explaining that things are not simple, and everything has to be explained in detail, and we're going to talk about that today.
We are.